In VigiControl, each account is referred to as a target. A target is each site or location with guard services, and it encompasses various sections where you can input information, manage usernames and passwords for security guards, and create checkpoints and rounds. To create a new target, click on New Target. Firstly, select a dealer to which the target will be associated. Let's quickly recap what a dealer is. A dealer is a way to group accounts based on different criteria. This dealer must be previously loaded in the administrator module and can contain various account types. For example, the dealer can be a bank. That bank has many branches, also known as targets, and each branch has numerous guards. Once you've selected the dealer, choose the account type. Remember, you can create your own types from the administrator module, such as industrial facilities, construction sites, banks, universities, gated communities, and any other target type you need. If you need to refresh this information, we suggest reviewing our SoftGuard 101 training course, Account Creation. Next, select the account number consisting of 4 alphanumeric digits. Remember, accounts can be created in 3 different modules. Account Administrator, 1 account equals 1 alarm panel and/or 1 Smart Panics user group. Track Guard, 1 account equals 1 GPS device. And VigiControl, 1 account equals 1 site with security guards. If this combination of dealer and account already exists in the system, you cannot duplicate it, regardless of the module. Each account must have a distinct number. Finally, assign a name for your target. Your target is now created. Now we can start filling in all the data and information related to this target. The primary data options are very similar to the steps we took during the creation of a monitoring account. We have options for main contact details, contacts, jurisdictional contacts, and status. Many of the choices we've seen in the account administration module. So let's review the most crucial options related specifically to the VigiControl module. One of the most important tabs is Users. Unlike the account administration module, where users might be individuals with access to the alarm panel or Smart Panics users, in this case, users for the targets are the actual guards using the app. Click on Add, assign a numeric code, and then a name and a password. These details serve as the access credentials for the guard to log into the application. Add any necessary observations for quick reference. You have the option to define whether this user is a guard or a supervisor. A supervisor has permission to create new checkpoints from the app. Lastly, decide if you want to request the user to attach an image during login to validate their identity. This can ensure they are at their designated post in the proper uniform. This feature can be activated or deactivated based on your preferences. Don't forget to repeat this process and load usernames and passwords for all guards who need to log in at this target.